Hey friends, in today's video, I've got a game-changing combo for you. Canva's bulk create feature paired with ChatGPT, a duo that'll make your design projects a breeze. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be a pro at whipping up multiple designs effortlessly, saving you heaps of time. So, let's dive in and learn how to supercharge your creative endeavors using Canva. Start by creating a new design in Canva, like an Instagram square post. Choose a template to act as your design background. Now, head over to ChatGPT and ask for the text you want on your designs. Copy the generated texts and jump back into Canva. In the left bar, go to Apps and search for Bulk. Open the Bulk Create app, choose Enter Data Manually, and clear the table. Paste the text data from ChatGPT, name the column, for example, quotes, and connect the data. Click Generate, and voila! In just one click, you've created 100 posts with unique texts. As all these posts share the same background, you can easily customize a few to add variety. That's how simple it is to create social media posts in bulk using Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.